I'm going to give you a close-up of the quality you can expect from this patriotic bow. So this has a ton of different uses. I'm using it in essence as a door wreath, and I have a wreath holder here. This has a small cord on the back of it that I've just wrapped around to be able to hide it from there. I've fluffed out all the many bows that are coming out this and just really love the presentation, the quality, the color. Now personally, I wasn't looking for this to have lights on it. It does come with a very small amount of the tiny sort of twinkle lights that you can wrap around that if you want to have on there too, but I like the look without and was happy enough that they came separately so I didn't have to take them off. If you want to take a couple minutes and put them on, you have them right here at your disposal. So this is the fabric that has a little bit of wire in it, so you can form these ribbons in any sort of way that you want. It's going to hold the shape a lot better because it has that little bit of reconstruction and support on the inside. But I'm just really happy with how this looks. Just really pretty seasonal patriotic decor. Independence Day, Memorial Day, Flag Day, any day that you want to just show your support for the red and blue. This is a perfect way to be able to dress up your front door. It's not a wreath, but it's a little bit better in my mind. I'm really happy with it and I would recommend.